Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Hyundai Elantra Jack Easy Guide. Park on level ground and apply the parking brake immediately. Gather your jack, lug wrench, and wheel chocks before you start. Inspect the jack for damage and ensure it matches the vehicle weight. Wear gloves and clear bystanders. Keep the spare tire and tools within easy reach so the job stays safe and efficient. Find the proper jack points by referencing the owner manual and looking for stamped notches near the pinch welds. Crawl under only if you can clearly see daylight and the car is stable. Position the jack saddle directly under the reinforced spot and avoid body panels or trim. If unsure, use a small wooden block to protect the pinch weld while keeping the jack centered and stable before lifting. Loosen lug nuts slightly while the car remains on the ground so the wheel won't spin. Raise the vehicle slowly until the tire clears the ground by about 3 to 4 inches and keep steady pressure on the jack handle. Remove lug nuts fully and take off the wheel, then mount the spare and hand tighten the nuts. Lower the car until the tire touches, then torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to the recommended spec.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.